Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the joints of the body. Previous lectures we have discussed about the different types of bones, different parts of the body. But today we will discuss about the types of the joints and joints of the body. What is the joints of the body? Our skeleton is made up of hard and strong bones. Bones cannot be bent. So, we can bend or move our body parts only at those places where two or more bones join together. Where there is no joint, any bones, then we will not move that parts of the body. Means when you want to move your parts of the body, definitely in that place two or more than two bones join together. Such places are called joints or joints of the body. For example, in your hand, from this you can bend easily. Your arms, you can hands as easily, and arms also you can bend in this direction. Your skeleton, head, move anywhere. This means your skeleton moves skull and shoulders join to each other. Your hand and arm join to each other. Means without joint you cannot move your skeleton or your bodies any places. So the place where two or more bones meet in the skeleton is called joint, and several types of joints occur in your human bodies. Not all joints is the same types, different types of joints. So how many kinds of joints? Mainly there are four types of joints. How many types of joints? Four types of joints. First, hinge joints. Hinge joints, ball and socket joints, ball and socket joints, next fixed joints, next pivot joints. And next fixed joints. So hinge joints, ball and socket joints, pivot joints, fixed joints. There are four types of joints. We will discuss or we will explain in briefly different types of joints. First, hinge joints. So what is a hinge joints? Hinge joints means if we open and close our door, then we will find that door move forward and backward direction only. When we will open door or close door, then that door only move in forward and backward direction, not other than these two directions. So a door is joined with two hinges, help of the hinge. That joints is known as the hinge joints. Similarly, in your bodies, a hinge joint allows the movement of bones in only one direction. Means, suppose this elbow, your arm joins to here, lower parts of this elbow. So you can move only this direction, forward and backward, not all direction. So this joint is the hinge joints. This also you can bend in this direction, not this direction. So This finger also joined by with the help of hinge joints. So these joints is a hinge joints. Knee joint is also hinge joints. Your knee, only you can move forward and backward direction with the help of at the point of your knee. So these are the example of the hinge joints. Hinge joints only you can move in only one direction, not all direction. Knee joints are our elbow, knee joints, elbow joint. These are the example of the hinge joints. After hinge joints, next ball and socket joints. Ball and socket. What is the ball and socket? Means where we will present the ball types of joints, and in ball situated as a socket. Ball and socket like this. It is your shape in the ball shape, and socket fixed in your ball shape. These joints is in the ball and socket joints. In the ball and socket joints, one end of the bone has a round shape. One end of the bones has a round shape like a ball, which fits into the socket hollow space. Means ball types of one end of the bone is a ball type shape which is hollow, and second end of the other parts of the bones fixed in this ball socket. This is known as the ball socket joint. So the soldier joints, here ball socket, you will find ball socket joints. Soldier joints and hip joints are ball and socket joints. Soldier joints and hip joints. Soldier joints and hip joints. These are the example of the ball and socket joints. After ball and socket joints, next pivot joint. Pivot means a hollow. You should know what is a pivot. Pivot joints. In a pivot joints, a cylindrical bone. Cylindrical bone, cylinder, type of cylinder. Cylindrical bone turns in a ring type bone. Pivot joint like this. Cylindrical bone. A pivot joint exists between our skull and neck. Your skull is, and this is your neck. So between skull and neck, you will find the pivot joints. And pivot joints occur in the forearm near the elbow. Here, forearm near the elbow. Which types of joints? Pivot joints. Between skull and neck, and next near the elbow in your arm, you will find a pivot joint. After pivot joint, fixed joint. Fixed joint cannot move any direction. The fixed joints always fixed. So in some joints, our bones are held too tightly together, then they cannot move at all. Such joints are called fixed joints. What is the fixed joints? Some joints in your body tightly together, held too tightly together. That's why they cannot move easily, or they cannot move at all. Such joints are called fixed joints. For example, means you can say easily second hand, fixed joints immovable, not movable. Hinge joints, ball and socket joints, pivot joints are movable, but fixed joints is not movable. So fixed joints occur in our skull. Means in skull you cannot move any parts of the skull. Or the hard and strong skull protects a delicate organ of our body, like brain, but we cannot move any parts of the skull. A fixed joint between the skull and the upper jaw it is upper jaw, it is lower jaw. So skull and upper jaw, between skull and upper jaw you can find fixed joint, not between the lower jaw. So fixed joints also occur in the hip bone also. Fixed joints you will find between skull and upper jaw. Next, hip bone. You will find fixed joints. So the hip bone is also connected to the backbone by a fixed joint. Your hip bones join to the backbones with the help of fixed joints. These are the features and functions of the bones, types of joints, and different things. Next, we will discuss about the movable and non-movable of the bodies, and thank you.